The best thing about being a Dalek is that Daleks are superior.
This is the only one we let in the house.
Hello, my name is Brian. I'm from London, Ontario, Canada.
These are my 3 workshop assistants. George the NSD, who's currently been transformed into a open casing version. Frank the Imperial, who's just being finished off. And Dottie the very special weapons Dalek, who's mid-restoration after spending a period of her time sitting in a field.
Next to me is Dalek Novus, my Dalek, from a couple of years ago.
We call him Larry. We built him about 10 years ago.
I am Dalek Skeleton!
Hello, my name's Ben, and these are my Daleks.
The best thing about having a Dalek is not telling anyone.
Exterminate! Exterminate! Exterminate!
So all I guess I'll have to say is prepare for maximum extermination.
It's known as Big Red, but
Right,
it's not named.
okay.
I have to admit to being a Dalek builder.
Building Daleks is addictive.
I've always loved the movie Daleks and always fancied one. This one came up for sale and I bought it.
So my Dalek was actually a Davros, and we called him Dave Ross, Jonathan Ross's better looking brother.
Daleks are cool.
We call on all Daleks to join us at the gathering too. Dalek Santa's coming to town.
Yes, the real reason why I love Daleks so much is because of the huge amount of people that I love and have a huge relationship throughout the Comic Cons and events I do throughout the years I've done. And it's really made a huge impact on me because it changed my life forever, really. Quite a lot.